Alright guys, let's have another video on American English. Okay, so today we're gonna discuss about the sound R in American English. Okay, how many letters are there in English? 26. 26 letter में एक letter ऐसा है, the word R. हम इसे क्या कहते हैं? R कहते हैं, but Americans say R. I mean, your tongues come up. आपकी ज़ुबान जो ऊपर की तरफ आएगी पीछे से. R. Like circum, sir. Rest, not rest, rest. Record, sir, record. Spark, car, spark. Okay, but make sure that the word record and record, whenever you pronounce it like record, it comes noun, and whenever you pronounce it like record, it means verb. Okay, thank you very much.